Hi everyone, I'm here for my second video of the day. So I'm going to be comparing two items, which is the Gucci Marmont Super Mini, and I'm going to show it to you guys and let you find out or tell me what your guess is, which is the original and which one is the super fake. So here they are. And the back side. So let's get into the comparison. So if you guys saw my unboxing video, you would tell that it was kind of, I was just way over into my head that I was just so excited. But these are the boxes for both items, and this is the fake box, and it was supposed to be like a limited edition, but no, it's just fake. So first let me try to get close so you guys can see the font of Gucci. You can tell that this is way too thick as far as fonting goes. But yes, that was a giveaway and I just wasn't paying attention and I was just so excited, and yeah, that was all me. But yep, there's the box. And the next one is the dust bags. So here are the dust bags. This is the fake one. You can see that the way they cut this and they sewed it, it's very crooked and it's not really a rectangle, and the feel of it, it's not really silk. Again, that's my bad because I wasn't paying attention, but yes. And the authentic dust bag is more of a silk, and you can see the Gucci right there, and it's thinner. And this is this like similar dust bag I have for my Gucci Mini up there. So yes. Now let's move on to the bags. Alright, so I moved it a little closer for this, that way you can see the detail. So these are the bags. And I know it's kind of flipped because of the way the camera is, but here they are. Can you guys tell which one's fake and authentic? So if I didn't have the real one, I definitely wouldn't have noticed. But first giveaway is the leather. So this is way smoother and shinier, and this is more textured. If I'm being honest, I do like this, like the texture of this better, but just because this looks so delicate. And this is my first day having it, and you can see that it's already like some scratch marks on there. Maybe my ring or something. But yes, so the leather is your first giveaway. And your hardware isn't really like that different. Can you guys see? It looks very similar. But another thing is the shape. So this is the real one, and this is way more rectangular opposed to this one where the base is more rounded. So right here, it's definitely more rounded. Interior features are very similar. The waves and the way the leather is carved. The same button closure. The D-ring also is very similar. Look really close. The hardware is a bit different, and the font is also a little different. I hope you guys can see that. You see the font is different, and the gold tones are a little different. This one is shinier, and this is more antique looking. It's crazy. Let's move on to the hardware. So here they are. So you can tell this one, the super fake, is just a bit shinier and it's more gold. The authentic one is darker and it has more of a brassy finish to it. You can see length is, oh, that's crazy. So the length, the authentic one is a little bit longer, so you guys can tell. but so I guess I'm not that fat. No, I really am. But yeah, the hardware on this is just a little bit darker. Here is the interior. I don't know if you guys can tell. They look similar, very similar. The feel is, so the authentic is just softer, but obviously you can't tell that unless you have both to compare. But color wise, it looks super similar. The next one is our tags, which is your most dead giveaway. So let's start with the fake one. You guys can see the font is thinner and it's smaller. And then here are the numbers. The authentic one, the font is thicker and it's embossed deeper. And it's also bigger. And it's also a smooth leather, this tag right here, and here's the numbers. Alright, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and this is the authentic and this is the fake one. So you guys can look right there again. Honestly, if I was just walking down the street and I saw somebody wearing this, I couldn't even tell that this is fake, because it just looks so good. Like, besides the shape, I don't know like how to tell. Maybe the GGs too. I don't know, they just look so similar. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys don't get scammed out there. So just be careful and always get your items authenticated. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.